How to enable and use screen time on iPhone, iPad, and Mac. How to enable screen time. To enable screen time on iPhone and iPad, go to the Settings app, locate Screen Time and tap on it. Then, select Turn on Screen Time and tap on Continue. Tap on This is my iPhone. To enable screen time on Mac, click on the Apple logo to open the Apple menu. Go to System Preferences and click on Screen Time. Then at the bottom left corner, click on Options. At the top right corner, click on Turn On. Set up a screen time passcode. To set up the screen time passcode for iPhone and iPad, in Screen Time tap on Use Screen Time Passcode. Enter a selected passcode and confirm it. Enter passcode recovery Apple ID. To set up the screen time passcode for Mac, in Options check the box next to Use Screen Time Passcode. Select if you want to remain the admin or create a separate account and click on Next. Set a 4-digit passcode for screen time. Enter a passcode recovery email and click on Next. How to enable downtime. To enable downtime for iPhone and iPad, in Screen Time Settings, tap on Downtime and enter the passcode. Next to Downtime, move the slider to enable the feature. Then, under Downtime, choose either Everyday or Customized Days. If you selected Everyday, below select the duration time you want the feature to be enabled. If you've selected Customized Days, choose what days you want downtime to be enabled and the duration. Now, go back to Screen Time Settings and tap on Always Allowed. Choose which apps will be allowed during downtime. To enable downtime for Mac, in Screen Time Settings select Downtime and click on Turn On. Select either Everyday or Custom and pick a time. Then click on Always Allowed and select which apps will be allowed during downtime. How to set app limits. To set app limits for app categories for iPhone and iPad, tap on App Limits, then tap on Add Limit. When asked to choose apps, select app categories you want to limit and tap on Next. Then, set a limit duration or tap on Customize Days and set a duration for certain weekdays. Then you're done, tap on Add. To set app limits for specific apps on iPhone and iPad, tap on Add Limit and choose an app category. Tap on the arrow next to it. Then, select an app or several apps from that category you want to limit. When you're done, tap on Next at the top right corner. Then, set a limit duration or tap on Customize Days and set a duration for certain weekdays. When you're done, tap on Add. To set app limits for websites on iPhone and iPad, tap on Add Limit. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Websites. Tap on Add Websites and enter a website URL you want to limit. When done, in the top right corner of the screen, tap on Next. Then, set a limit duration or tap on Customize Days and set a duration for certain weekdays. When you're done, tap on Add. To delete set app limits on iPhone and iPad, locate your set limit and swipe on it to the left side. You'll see a Delete button appear. Tap on it. Tap on Delete Limit. To set app limits for app categories for Mac, select App Limits and click on Turn On if it's not already. Then, click on the plus button. In the pop-up window, choose an app category and check the box next to it. At the bottom, select either Everyday or Custom. If you selected Custom, click on Edit and pick App Limit Time. Click on Done. To set app limits for specific apps on Mac, click on the plus button. In the pop-up window, choose an app category and click on the arrow next to it. Choose an app and check the box next to it, then, select either Everyday or Custom and pick a time. Click on Done. To set app limits for websites on Mac, click on the plus button. In the pop-up window, scroll down to the bottom and click on the arrow next to Websites, then, click on the green plus button to add a website. Select either Everyday or Custom and pick a time. Click on Done. To delete set app limits on Mac, choose the app limit you want to remove and check the box next to it. Then, click on the minus button and click on Delete Limit. How to set communication limits. To turn on communication limits for iPhone and iPad, tap on Communication Limits. You can choose during screen time and during downtime. During screen time allows you to choose from contacts only, contacts and groups with at least one contact, or everyone. During downtime allows you to choose specific contacts. If you selected during downtime, tap on Specific Contacts. Select Choose from My Contacts. Select contacts you want to allow communication with. When done, tap on Done. To turn on communication limits for Mac, click on Communication. Under During Screen Time, allow communication with. Choose the preferred option. Under During Downtime, allow communication with. Select specific contacts. Click on the plus button and select Add from My Contacts. And select contacts you want to allow communication with. Or select Add New Contact and enter the contact information. When you're done, click on Add and then on Done. How to enable content and privacy restrictions. To turn on content and privacy restrictions for iPhone and iPad, go to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next to Content and Privacy Restrictions, move the slider to enable the feature. Under the Privacy section, choose what you want to restrict. Tap on it and select Don't Allow Changes. To turn on content and privacy restrictions for Mac, click on Content and Privacy. Click on Turn On if not already. Then, select each tab and change the settings according to your liking. How to block iTunes and App Store purchases. To restrict iTunes and App Store purchases on iPhone and iPad, go to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Tap on Installing Apps and select Don't Allow. To restrict iTunes and App Store purchases on Mac, click on Content and Privacy, go to the Stores tab. Then, in the Allow on iOS section, uncheck the box next to Installing Apps and In-App Purchases. How to turn on child screen time. To turn on screen time on your child's iPhone and iPad, open the Settings app on your kid's iPhone. Go to Screen Time and tap on Turn on Screen Time. Tap on Continue and select This is my child's iPhone. To turn on screen time on your child's Mac, go to Mac and click on the Apple logo. Go to System Preferences and click on Screen Time. Then, the bottom left corner, click on Options. At the top right corner, click on Turn On. Check the box next to Use Screen Time Passcode. Then, select the second option and create another account to be the administrator so your child can't access screen time settings. How to disable screen time. To disable screen time on iPhone and iPad, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Turn Off Screen Time. Enter your screen time passcode and tap on Turn Off Screen Time again. To disable screen time on Mac, go to Screen Time, click on Option at the bottom left corner of the window. Then, click on Turn Off. If asked, enter your screen time passcode. Thank you for watching.